Hello YouTube. Got another case unboxing today. It's the Barrett Jackson Series 6. No idea why it says Scottsdale Edition. I really hope this ain't all 6 Scottsdale trucks, because I ordered the Barrett Jackson Series 6. So I'm really hoping that's what this is. So let's go ahead and crack it open. My razor sharp knife. And then we'll pull these out one by one, and then we'll crack them all open and take a closer look at them all. Hopefully this is one with the Corvette and the GT40. I don't think that any of them are green body green machines. Do have the paper in between. I think this is just Scottsdale, Arizona is where these were sold at. So we got the 1969 Chevy Camaro ZL1 in green. Not a casting I collect from Greenlight, but I do have a few of them and do like it. They did a really good job on the 69 Camaro. And we got the 2020 Chevy Corvette Stingray, which I might have to grab the regular variation of this, or the Black Bandit variation, which was the first one that came out. It's funny how that one's red. Sold for $3 million because I think it's the first C8. And this one sold for $231,000. Wow. See what the next one is. It's a 1970 Olds 442 Convertible. Which I don't know if I have any of the Olds Convertible. I don't collect a whole lot of Greenlight convertibles. And we have the 1968 Plymouth Gtx Custom in silver and black. Very nice. And then we have the 2017 Ford GT40, which is one I was most excited for because it's in burgundy. So, and Greenlight doesn't release a whole lot of cars in burgundy. And the last one we have is a 1972 Chevy K10 4x4 pickup. So no chase in this case, but we're going to crack all these open and take a closer look at them. And we're going to start out with the 1968 Plymouth GTX Custom in silver and black. Very nice. And this sold for $300,000, no reserve. I'm not going to read all the info about it, but if you want to pause on that and read that, you're more than welcome to. Then we're going to crack open the 2020 Chevy Corvette Stingray. I'm going to grab the Black Bandit one real quick. And this is a casting you're going to want to open when you get, because it does have a rubber band on it. So you're going to want to get that off before it melts to it. You might not want to buy this from a flea market or something. The GTX has a flat black hood and awesome engine detail. Okay, the only difference I see now is the Black Bandit has a black stripe. Has a flat black stripe. Same rims. Barrett Jackson has a red caliper behind the rim. Black Bandit says BB, that says Barrett Jackson. So you'll easily know what release is what. Slight differences, but not many at all. They did paint a red caliper on the Greenlight, or on the Corvette symbol's a hell of a lot bigger on the Barrett Jackson. That one looks more to scale on the, definitely looks a lot more to scale on the Black Bandit version. So, who did it better, Barrett Jackson or Black Bandit? I think Barrett Jackson might have. Of course, the top does come off. I think they call that a Targa top, maybe. Oh, screwed that one up. Let's see if I can screw this one up. Yep. Screwed them both up. So let's go ahead and hop right to probably my second favorite of the release. Corvette's probably my third, even though they already did it. But man, that might be my third. But this is definitely got to be my second. 1972 Chevy K10 4x4 pickup. One I definitely like. Very awesome. Very well done by Greenlight. I'll pick it up in every color release it comes out in, especially in these two tones. Very fitting for the truck and the air of the truck. Very nice. Very happy to add that to the truck collection. So no green machines, and I haven't picked up any green machines out of this set. I think they're all green tire, green wheel, green base, or something like that. I don't think any of them are green body green machines. I know the Corvette isn't, because I'm waiting on a green body green machine release of it. And I know the 2017 Ford GT, it's not a green body. It's only came out twice in a green body release. Once in a Golf one, which I do have, and once in an all-green one. I think it was a Black Bandit. It was a Black Bandit release. I do have it, but it's only Black Bandit release I completed that's carded. So, until I can get another one, it stays protected in its blister. So let's crack this one open while you guys admire that awesome K10 or K15, whatever it was. It was a K10. You guys ever want to know how I crack open my Greenlight? Actually, I keep a steak knife right here. I just cut right into it, cut right around it, so I can fold this right out. If you wanted to put it back in and hang it back up, you could. But mine get thrown in the recycling bin. Definitely recycle all mine. Makes me feel a little bit better about cracking them all open. But that's a lot of waste. I mean, if you guys watch my videos, I fill up 1 or 2 black garbage bags a week with blisters. And other random stuff from the die-cast room. All recyclable. So I was kind of going back and forth on my little display here, where I shoot my videos, and I'm gonna try to change it up a little bit. I do like the parking lot though. I took the parking lot out and I put it back. I'm gonna keep it for the videos. I'm gonna try and set up a little plaza around it or something to shoot the videos in front of, but I'll have to get another one for my displays, because that's what I bought it for, was to display my cars on, not to shoot videos on. But Greenlight did a hell of a job with this. You see the engine through the window. Doesn't have no opening features, but you can actually see through the... I'm pretty sure they're calling this a buttress. You calling that a buttress? Kind of sounds funny when I say it. Oh well. Awesome lensed headlights. And lens tail lights. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful release of it. Which I have seen real ones the same burgundy color, so it is a factory color. Let's get open the 1969 Chevy Camaro ZL1. Big fan of the Camaro. I gotta complete the Greenlight Chevelles before I move on to the Camaros though. So as of right now, it is not a casting I collect from Greenlight, but I do have a few variations. And man, does it look good in this green. Somebody said I gotta start opening up the engines more. A lot of times I forget. But man, that got some good detail underneath the hood of that one. See the air intake or cooling tube. Big air filter in there. They don't show up good on camera. And that one shut perfect and opened perfect. Corvette doesn't have no opening features, but does have the removable hard top. That's very hard to get back on. Nope, I got it that time. Nailed it. Let's try that one. Yep, nailed it. Alright, and they both fit good too. Champion's DJKs kept popping up a little bit. It did not fit very well. Show the engine to that. Does this have an opening hood? I doubt it. Nope, they never do opening hoods with their trucks, but they always look like a separate piece. Nice interior. Wow, that interior is very well done. The steering wheel, the color of the seat. Alright. Let's move on to the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible. What did it sell for? Let's see. $121,000. We didn't see what the Camaro sold for, did we? Camaro sold for $231,000. So this is the cheapest car of the bunch, and still one I cannot come close to affording. Where I live, $120,000 can buy you a pretty nice house. $220,000, like the Camaro, could buy you an extremely nice house. Like borderline mansion. Alright, I'm not going to open the hood on that 442 because it does not want to open. So making a little crackling sound, so just going to leave it shut. Nice detail on the interior. Looks like a shifter there. Might be a stick. 442. This would have been a fun car to have back in the day. Wish they would have put the Krager mags on this, though. Really, really wide, fat meats. Greenlight, when they had the green post, a lot of their castings had way fatter meats than what they needed to be. And I think this is a pretty old tooling of Greenlight. So I don't think they've changed it a whole lot since this probably was released with the green post. Oh. The window trim is metal on these. So it's not just a windshield like on a Hot Wheels. That's actually a metal trim with a windshield inserted in it. The visors feel like they're part of the windshield, maybe. Nice dual exhaust. I'm guessing all the license plate would say Barrett Jackson on them. So that's all I got to show you for that release. Let me know which one was your favorite. Very, very awesome release. They all look beautiful together. Very happy to have picked up that release of them. You all know the Ford GT is the star of the show for me. Just, there goes that roof again. Then we're going to be a pain in the butt, just like on the freaking Jeeps and the Broncos and shit. It's a cool feature, but it's a pain. Heavy Metal, he glues his shit on so it doesn't fall off. Probably saves a lot of frustration. Awesome, awesome truck. Looks beautiful in that blue and white. That one looks really awesome too, especially with the flat black hood. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe. And leave comments. Love reading all your guys' comments. But definitely subscribe for future videos. Got a Kyosho Skyline I'm going to show in a future video. Just got this Bugatti today. Pre-ordered it like 2 months ago, not realizing it was a pre-order. So, we'll have to take a close look at that. I forget who makes it right now. Oh, it's Time Micro. So, it's a Time Micro. And we'll crack it open, take a close look at it. Golf. Ford Raptor. Take a close look at that too sometime. So definitely hit that subscribe button and have a good day.